Cabin tour of E-43 here on the Paradise. First thing you do when you walk in the room is you got your shelves, your safe, 2 drawers down below. Spin around. All right, where is located? It's located forward on deck 7, which is the deck you board on, and then that's where we're located right there. All right, again, you're safe. Let's go right to the bathroom. Just your standard bathroom. Sink, we've already been in here, so there's your bathroom, your towel racks, the toilet, which I like the toilet because the button is above the toilet seat, so you don't have to touch the toilet seat all the time. All right. Then we have your cabinets where you have your life jackets up top, your shelves, and then a bottom shelf. Your second cabinet, you only have 2 in here. Top shelf, lots of hangers. And then this is kind of annoying that they always put all that stuff down there at the bottom, so you can't put anything down there. All right, going over here to the vanity, you have 2 shelves, your phone, a European outlet, 2 110 outlets. They're really 120 on here, but they're really 110 outlets. 2 USB, your light switch for your mirror, your refrigerator, which is underneath. Okay, and then across the room, there's no USB ports on this side of the bed. None on this side. We naturally have a king turned into a queen. You have your button right there on the wall behind the bed that you can kill all the lights, as you saw. And then you have 2 USB ports on that side. So make sure you bring a long cord. We bring like I think it's like a 6-foot cord, and we stretch it across there for Terry. And then naturally you just got your window. It's still dark outside. We're just now backing up to the dock back in Tampa. Big screen TVs on this ship. We were on the Pride 2 weeks ago where you only had a small TV. You probably saw that in the other cabin tour video. Now this cabin door here, or this door here, is a single door. So if this door is unlocked like it was that we showed you when we got on, you can walk right into the other people's rooms, so you gotta make sure that that's locked because it's not a double door like in most hotels where both sides have to unlock the door. Alrighty, that's pretty much it. Cabin E-43 here on the Paradise.